To get things started, we're going to go through how to set up your first account. In DAXRM, an account and a client are basically the same thing. The idea is that you set up an account for each one of your agency's clients. You can, of course, set up multiple accounts under a single client's name. You can create an account in 3 simple steps. Let's begin with step 1. Navigate to Accounts via the left sidebar, which will take you to the account list. Then click on the New Account button. First, you'll need to assign the account to a company, usually the client you're setting up the account for. This enables you to access all relevant information about the company, including contact details and invoices. You can search for an existing company, create a new one, or import company details using add-ons like Xero, MYOB, or QuickBooks. In this scenario, we will manually add a new company by entering the company name and a website URL. You can fill in the remaining details later as needed. Now that we've assigned a company, let's go to next step 2. We'll select the services relevant to this account from the available list. A few default services have already been created for you to choose from. However, you can edit these services or add new ones by going to Settings, then Services. We're going to add one service, the SEO Gold package. You can, however, add as many services as needed. Now, let's go to the final step. In this step, we'll enable the data connectors you may need for this account. You can view the available connectors, and any that are enabled will be accessible from the Account Overview dashboard. In this scenario, we will enable Google Analytics connector. Now, click on the Save button. We have now successfully created a new account. Let's take a look at the newly created Account Overview dashboard. This is the main dashboard for the account, where you can manage and view all relevant information, such as client details, services, projects, data connectors, reports, and more. Let's explore the overview details. You can add and edit both primary and secondary contact information for this account, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other important client details by clicking on the Edit icon. In the Account Manager section, you can assign your primary account manager, as well as multiple managers as needed. In the Services section, you will find all the relevant information about active services, including contract information, start and end dates, project statuses, sales information, and more. In the Notes section, you can add information that will be visible to other users across your subscription. This can include call logs and recent client interactions, work pending, client requests or feedback, or anything else important to the account. The Connectors section shows the active integrations for this account. This is where you go to activate or deactivate connectors for this account. There you have it. Your first account is now set up. To view more information, you can visit our Help Center.